Welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle with Glamour Has No Age. Today I thought we would try on the Let's Play palette from Too Faced. It's a cute little mini palette. I think it'd be fun for travel. So let's try it. My eyes are prepped with my Milani eye primer. I'm going to take my Sigma tapered blending brush and I'm going to go into this pinky cream color right here and dust that all over both legs. Since I'm wearing MAC Snob, which is a pink lipstick and a pink blush, I figured I'd go into this pink color right here, which is called Don't Play Me, right here. I'm gonna put that in my crease. That's pretty. Just no kick up in the pan in case you're wondering. Then for my outer V, I'm gonna go into this color right here. What is that called? Cheat Code. I'm gonna use my detailed blending brush right here and put that into the outer V. Alright, now I'm going to go back into this cream color here and try to give it like a fading effect. It's my new thing. What am I going to use for shimmer? I'm going to use this one up here. I'm going to use this shimmer right here. And let's see if I can figure out. Multiplayer it's called. I'm going to use my shader brush right here from Sigma. I'm gonna go off camera and put on some mascara. I'm back, and let me give you my thoughts. This is a little out of my comfort zone for color, but I'm glad I bought it because I like the look that I achieved with it. This Let's Play palette has 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, 4 shimmers. Looks like this. I'd say this is a perfect palette to take with you if you're going on a trip and you just want that pop of color. I like it. I'm glad I picked it up. I'll add that to my collection. Let me know if you picked it up. I'd like to know. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Especially, please hit the like button. That helps me be seen by other people. Thank you. Have a great day.